Welcome to the last session of the online course Solidarity and Struggle Resisting Anti-Gender Politics. Session 5 already! Time flies, and I hope that this course has been an inspiring and informative learning journey for you as we are moving on to the last lessons. So, this session 5, titled Resisting Anti-Gender Politics, explores how queer, trans, and feminist communities resist anti-gender mobilizations. You will see that resistance does not take a single form. While much struggle takes place at the grassroots levels, in some contexts, feminist and queer movements have also succeeded in translating long-term organizing into institutional power to advance protective policies from within. But these gains did not emerge in isolation. They were made possible by sustained mobilization, coalition building, and collective pressure over time. Resistance, therefore, operates across multiple sites, in street and communities, in cultural spaces, and, in some cases, also within state institutions themselves. Each lesson focuses on a different dimension of this ecosystem of resistance. Lesson 1, Resisting Anti-Gender Politics, introduces some grassroots resistance strategies and tactics from public protest to digital safety practices. Lesson 2, Care and Resistance, is about how care becomes an infrastructure that sustains activism when hostility and burnout threaten to exhaust communities. Lesson 3, Creative Resistance, shows how art, satire, and humor offer creative ways to subvert anti-gender narratives. Lesson 4, Knowledge and Continuity, looks at knowledge sharing and intergenerational solidarity, how movements pass experiences across time and borders. And finally, Lesson 5, Joy as Resistance, explores the political role of collective joy as a form of agency, connection, and emotional resilience. So to summarize, across the lessons of this session 5, you will see that resistance can look differently and various strategies reinforce one another. Care can enable creativity. Creativity may open space for joy. Joy sustains grassroots actions, and knowledge sharing ensures that hard-won lessons are not lost to burnout or repression. Together, they form what Laurent Berlin calls the infrastructure of survival for marginalized communities. Thank you.